Now, you may be thinking you need a lot of money to start, but what if I told you that all you need is just 200,000 naira, the right business, and the discipline to stay consistent? In today's video, we are talking 9 businesses you can start with 200,000 naira in Nigeria this 2026. They are high profit business ideas for beginners. And you know the good part of it, you may start with 200,000 naira, but if you have 10 million naira, you can start this business conveniently and even make a whole lot more money. Of these 9 businesses, number 2, number 8, and number 9 are my favorites. Let's go into it. First business of the day is mini commercial cleaning business. I involved the diasporans because a lot of Nigerians want to come back home. And back there, they are doing this job without complaints. They do it elegantly and they make good living from it. The same can happen to you in Nigeria, only that you can do it on a different scale. Some of us are like, we are graduates. I cannot start frying akara. Okay, listen to this. Everyone wants a clean office, even those who have places of worship. Want a clean church auditorium, a clean mosque auditorium. Schools, hospitals, homes need cleaning. Even people who are moving into new apartments, they want someone who will vacuum that apartment so clean that they will feel good about moving in. This is a business you can start immediately. You don't even need employees to start. All you need are industrial cleaning chemical. There are shops around you. Just go to the market. Ask people places they sell industrial cleaning chemical. These places are always unique. Where they sell original, locate them. Buy the ones that do not have odor. Odorless industrial cleaning chemicals. Buckets, mops, vacuum cleaners. Now, do something for yourself, please. Get 2 pairs of t-shirts, 4 pairs of t-shirts, brand them. So use a branded polo. Transportation. There is this trolley bucket. It's a big size and it has handle in which you can use to push it around. It also has tires at the bottom. If you are able to get such bucket, go to markets like Odolo warehouse. There's this other warehouse, Akorede warehouse. Yeah, some of you that live along that mile too will know these places. If you go around that area, you will see items being brought from abroad. Those are places you can get those items at cheaper rates. You know, we are talking 200,000 naira. So we want to manage our funds. This 200,000 naira will effectively take you to the promised land. What additional thing do you need to start? Visibility. You need to sell yourself. Without paying for ads, advertise yourself on your WhatsApp status. Create a flyer on Canva. If you don't know how to create a flyer, drop a comment in the section below telling me that you need me to create a video on how to create a flyer. I can do that for you. Create that flyer and start pushing your own content. Create a TikTok account, an Instagram account. These 2 platforms can help you to push. Then tag people. For reviews, you don't even need to clean somebody's office to make it happen. You can dedicate a space in your home and show people how you can vacuum clean, how you can clean so well that if they bring you in as a business, you'll be able to do the same or even more for them. Now, if you want to make it so much better, go to an office that is not far from your place. Give them a proposal that you want to do a free cleaning service for them, just a one-time thing, and let them see how good your service is. During that period, you are going to ask them, you need permission to film what you're doing because that is your own portfolio you're building. So film what you're doing or record what you're doing and post it. When people see that you are already cleaning for offices, that is a trust strategy you are creating. People believe in what other people have tested. So tell them, I can clean your office for free. All I need you to do is to tag me on your page that I did this kind of job. Say the truth. Give me a clean and good review. Do you believe that if other businesses are seeing this, other individuals are seeing this on these people's pages, they will start patronizing you? Office cleaning contracts can bring between 50 to 300k depending on the size of the office. Some can even bring up to 1 million naira per month, depending on the size of the office. So if you have a small office that gives 50k per month, you can bring in multiple offices and you start earning steady money until you're able to employ assistants that will do this job and you can continue marketing to other businesses and bringing in more business. Number 2 is healthy food bowl business. Some of us are not interested in slimming down, but we don't want to gain unnecessary weight. So we try to eat healthy. The cost of medical wellness these days makes people think of how to eat better. Cancer and the rest of them are making people tilt faster towards healthy living. Fruit bowls, salad bowls, smoothies, office lunch packs, meal subscription. You see, that of the meal subscription. You know, I told you number 2 is one of my best. Because when you come to my office, for instance, and you decide to sell a food subscription on a salad bowl level, guys, people will care in. because people don't have the time to go and start looking for fruits up and down. So if you're able to bring this to them while they work, as long as the fruits are fresh, they will pay for that monthly subscription, and you'll be surprised how your business start going on seamlessly and smooth. All you need to do is to time yourself. If I'm going to so branch, these are the things they need, the supplies they need. Between so time and so time, I supply them. The second branch, between so time and so time, I supply them. Guess what? Just getting access into one office can help you create a chain of business, because they will introduce you to their colleagues in other branches. Just tell them, please, all I need is for you to help me. Please introduce me to your colleagues in other branches so that I'll be able to supply them this stuff. They will introduce you. And the moment that door opens for you, it is something that you continue to milk and milk and milk until you get tired. Start from your kitchen. Advertise on WhatsApp, but please don't stay on WhatsApp and Instagram and TikTok alone. Go into offices, real time, and advertise your business. Talk to friends or family members or church members that have good jobs in companies that are paying well. Tell them this is what you want to do, or this is what you are doing. Tell them to just give you access to their colleagues. That is all you need. You are not begging for money. Please help me get access to your colleagues, and you see the rest to be story. You can also partner with gyms. Now you're going to buy plastics, bottles, plastics, whichever of the business you want to go into. If it is smoothies, if it is salad bowls, if it is snacks and whatever, if it is yogurt and whatever, just get the containers, get the sticker, meet a printer, and yeah, let your food look and taste decent. With 200,000 naira, you will conveniently start this business. And if you have higher amount of capital, guys, you will even make more money on this business because you have enough to supply. The third business is laundry pickup service. Don't buy expensive machines immediately. Instead, become the middleman. Collect clothes. Partner with existing laundry. Deliver neatly packaged clothes. If you are into laundry business, you know what I'm talking about. Laundry business have this problem of people going to pick up clothes. Oh, my customers have clothes to pick up, and they're like, bring your clothes in. Some customers don't have that time. But if you are ready to do this for them, you're willing to sacrifice your time, they will partner with you and pay you. Your own profit comes from convenience. You are giving convenience as a service to the business owner. You're giving convenience as a service to the customer. Now, don't just pick up people's clothes. You must create a record log where you write the kind of the cloth, the color, if there are stains on the cloth, all those details must be taken down. And the person who is giving you these clothes, that is the customer, must sign that this aligns with what you have collected. If the cloth is torn or any dent on that cloth, it must be stated. And if there are things that the customer wants you to do particularly for that cloth, then write it down as well and let that customer sign. Many successful laundries started this way, and today they are big. This can be you. Number 4 is gifts packaging. It is not only corporate gifts you can package. You can package event gifts. There are people just celebrating each other. Oh, you have a very kind boss, and it is the end of H1. You want to celebrate your boss, but you want to do it in a cool way. There are schools, churches, banks, wedding planners that always need gift packaging. All you need to do is to create premium gift boxes. Don't make it common. I know someone on TikTok that does this. She does mini importation from China on all her gift sources, right? And they are unique. Because her source is unique and her source is something well researched, people engage her to create that service for them. Source your products wholesale. You don't have to go into mini importation. I'm just giving that as an example. There are companies here in Nigeria, like right here, that are selling these products, gift items, uniquely in large quantities. Just go and buy wholesale so that your profit will matter. Package your gifts beautifully. Market them on Instagram and on TikTok. TikTok is now becoming a fantastic marketplace. With 200,000 naira, you will conveniently start this business. And if you have more money, that is more profit to you. All you need is to get the right customers. Number 5 is digital business documentation service. Many entrepreneurs struggle with CAC registration, business plans, grant application, proposal writing, pitch decks. If you want to create a pitch deck and you don't know how to, talk to me. You want to create a proposal, you want to create a pitch deck and you don't know how to, holler at me. It's not free. Guys, you don't even need to know everything. You can build a network of professionals and coordinate projects. See, you have a whole lot of ideas waiting for you at the other end of your phone or your computer. For this business, your role becomes project management. So if you have people who are interested, business plans, grant applications. All you need to do is to know people who can do these things, and you bring this business to them and you coordinate it. You become a project manager. Low key. The next business is one of the common businesses in Nigeria. And you might think that because you have heard this before, it should just pass. But it shouldn't, because you can do it on a better scale. Phone accessories business. So instead of selling phone, of course, you can't use 200k to sell phone. Sell what every phone owner needs. Type-C cables, power bank, phone chargers, screen protector, phone cases, Bluetooth headphones. You know, people like earphones and headphones. So these days, there is a good market for it. Buy in wholesale. If you are in Nigeria and you don't know where to buy, you can go to Alaba market. If you can just source it internationally, order from China, mini importation, and you start getting your goods directly and even uniquely. Sell online and deliver nationwide. I know a number of persons that now buy phone accessories online. This seller can be you. The margin for this business is very attractive. The least is 60% profit. Ask anyone. Number 7 is mini frozen food distribution. Have you seen my recent video on how to start a frozen food business in Nigeria? If you haven't, you should see that video. It will equip your mind as to the next steps. Many households buy frozen food everywhere. So you need to partner with wholesalers. You see those frozen food depot around you. Go there and buy. But before you buy, you must already create a market. Talk to people. Tell them you can supply them this. Collect their order and take it to them. As long as when they scale it, there is no cheating. Don't worry, you're good to go. We are in business. Supply homes, restaurants, hotels, offices. Nigerians are so busy doing other things as if 24 hours is not enough. So if they're able to outsource anything at all, they are good. You don't need a shop initially. Just take the orders first. Then deliver. Reinvest and you start seeing your profit. When you're starting from initial, you may not see people that will trust you with their money. That is why you need the startup capital of 200,000 naira. So that when they order, you are able to bring it to their doorstep and they say, oh, so this is real. Then they give you your money. When you are able to build that trust, before you know it, you start telling them it is pay before service. And they'll be able to give you that money based on trust. Guess what? When people see you on social media that this is what you do for a living, especially people around a particular community, they will patronize you. People want to outsource stress and save their time. Time is a lot of money. Number 8, one of my favorites, AI productivity and business support services. This is the newest opportunity. Thousands of small businesses want AI generated social media posts, business presentation, proposal writing, resume writing, email setup, business profile, research assistance. Many people do not know how to use AI tools effectively. Hence, you need to help them. Learn the skills. Offer monthly support packages to these businesses. The startup cost is mainly your laptop and internet connectivity. There are sources online that you can learn from for free, at least to start with. Continuous learning makes this one of the most scalable businesses you can think of. And guess what? As you grow, you start investing in courses that are more advanced and are not offered for free in AI. That is where the secret is. Number 9 business of the day, drum roll, is surprise serenade band. What most of you know as parara in Nigeria. This business is making lots of money. Have you seen someone who has been praised in your presence before? Even you that are not the one being praised will move to tears. This is what people do for a living. The good thing about this business is you as a person do not need to be the person singing or doing all the work. You are just a project coordinator. If you know people who have good voices or people who have musical instruments, you get the business in, coordinate them, get the gift packs, and let's go visit the celebrant. These are professional entertainers who visit events, homes, offices to sing personalized songs and eulogies about the celebrant. They are often accompanied by talking drums, guitars, keyboards, and other traditional instruments, and even gift packaging. This gift packaging can be money, flowers, car, chocolates, and usually they are always being appreciated financially. Either people give them tips or spread in bonus to the money they have charged whoever is initiating the surprise. See why I love this business? Now, there are common mistakes to avoid when you want to start these 9 businesses I've spoken about. Yes, I've said you should put yourself on social media, and I've talked about branding these products. But please, do not spend too much money on branding. Don't rent a shop because people expect it. These days, People use just a corner of their homes. It could be a wall. They will design it, it looks good. That is where they stand and be talking about that wig, and be talking about that product, that gift item, that this and that. You will never know that it's just one wall in their home that is that background. Please do not buy equipment before getting customers. You validate demand first before spending on any equipment. Start small, reinvest your profits, build systems, and focus on the customer experience. You want your customer experience to be top notch, such that they have reasons to always come back and even refer you to others. You see, for most of the businesses you can do in offices, just beg them, let me give you this for free. All you need to do is to tag me. Please, just tag me on your socials. If you know what you will get for that free thing, just that tagging, you'll be shocked. You know that most people working in offices have one social media page or the other, and some of them are controlling millions of followers. Don't sleep on this opportunity. Remember this, money is important, but business success is rarely determined by how much you start with. It is determined mainly by how consistently you help people solve problems. If I have 200,000 naira today, I'll focus on business that can grow into a million naira enterprise within a few years through repeat customers and reinvesting. These 9 businesses gives you such opportunity. Now, I would like to hear from you. Drop in the comment section. Which of these businesses would you think you would like to start? And if you're in the diaspora, you can share this video with any of your family members, especially those who have been complaining about the situation of the economy in Nigeria. Tell them they can scale on this business. They can actually live a good life in Nigeria. Or do you know another profitable business that deserves to be on this list? Share your thoughts in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. If you found this video valuable, please like it, subscribe to Fooby Finance. We do videos like this, market vlogs, and a whole lot more. Check my playlist, and I do advise you to watch the videos on the screen next. I'll see you in my next video.